Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape this fried plantain and this fried egg so you don't miss out. Here's my egg, my spices, tomato, onion, vegetable oil, and that's my plantain. I will add vegetable oil to my pan and I will cut my plantain. I will peel them and cut them to this desired shape of mine that you are seeing right here. So I'll just continue this process until I am done with all the plantain. This recipe is good for breakfast, it's good for lunch, it's also good for dinner. Feel free to make it anytime that you want. So I'll just continue until my bowl is empty. So as you can see right here, I am done with the peeling and the cutting. I added it. I didn't add salt because the plantain was very ripe. So this is my egg. I'll just break them. I'm having 8 eggs. I'll break them to my bowl and I'll add my meat spices. I added powdered onion, garlic, black pepper, curcuma, turmeric, ginger, salt. So I'll just give it a good mix. So I'm done mixing. I'll add my plantain to my oil. So I'm going to fry them for like 0 to 5 minutes. Then I'll come and flip them over. So here I'm flipping them over. For those of you always coming to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep sharing, keep commenting, keep subscribing. God bless you all. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of this family. Feel free to also check other of my videos that you might find helpful. So the plantain is fried. I'll just take it out of the pan and I'll put in a sieve so that the excess oil can go out. So I changed my pan. I added some of the same oil. I added my onion, my remaining spices that was left. So I just give it a good mix and I'll cook it for 1 second. So this is after 1 second. So now I will add in my tomato. So I'll give it a good mix again. I'll cover and allow it to fry until the oil is popping. So you can see the oil is popping. I added in my egg. So I'll cover and cook it on a low heat. So you see I came to just give it a very slight stir. So I cover again. I gave it another slight stir. So I'll cover for the last time. So this is it, guys. Ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Enjoy. Bye.